UC Davis Graduate School of Management is on the cutting edge of food and agriculture, biotech, and energy and sustainability.
We are the ag school for the country.
We are in the top 5 on sustainability and clean energy.
And when you hear from the executives of companies like Engines and Genentech, it blows up their mind.
The type of innovation that's happening on campus is really brilliant.
Workshops, classes, field trips, and internships in a particular industry that's central to some of the world's biggest problems.
They're sitting in classes with PhD students and master students.
2 or 3 MBAs, 2 or 3 energy students in each group.
And they tackle these problems being thrown at them by executives.
It was probably one of the toughest cases we probably worked through in grad school.
The executive who came to class was actually pretty impressed.
First place goes to UC Davis.
This is this opportunity to get their MBA skills, but also really be immersed.
Advocating for the best solution for our world.